What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Mortgages with Mike D. If you're new to the channel, I'm a licensed mortgage advisor, and the goal of my channel is to help everyone just better understand the ins and outs of the mortgage process. And when it comes to buying, refinancing, just want to be a source of information so you can make better informed decisions when it comes to real estate. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It'd be a huge help. And if you find any value, please give me a like. A thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. So I wanted to make a pretty quick video to share a quick announcement and some updates that are kind of happening in the market. So if you're not aware, both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac offer programs that are more so catered toward lower to moderate income borrowers, as well as those who might not have, perfect credit. Now, the benefits and advantages of these programs are you'll be subject to lower money down, reduction in interest rate, also more favorable private mortgage insurance pricing. Overall, it's just better and more favorable terms for the consumer. So Fannie Mae has their version, which is called Home Ready, and Freddie Mac has their program, which is called Home Possible. Both of these programs are virtually identical. There's some differences, but all in all, both aim to accomplish the same goal, which is to help make home ownership a little more easy and a little more possible, especially in markets like we're experiencing today. So these programs are really income based. So what I mean by that is it goes based upon the address or the area in which you are looking to buy a home. So these tools or these lookups can be accessed online. If you type in Fannie Mae Home Ready lookup tool or Freddie Mac Home Possible lookup tool, you're going to see a very similar website, and there's going to be a search bar where you can type in any property address, even a county. You can get an idea of these income limits. So what it goes by is 80% of the given area's median income. That is basically the bar in which you cannot exceed that income. And it doesn't just go by you, the individual. It goes by whoever is applying for the loan. So if it's two people in the loan, your combined income cannot exceed that area or 80% of that area's median income limit. And the purpose of, this video, like I said in the beginning, is I wanted to share an update. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac recently improved these limits. So basically, they're hiring the income cap. So it's going to allow more people to qualify for these programs. So not only will you experience, like I said earlier, better terms, which is going to equate to more savings for you in the short and long term, but it's also going to make some homes that are available a possibility, because there might have been a home on the market before where you might have made too much money and you weren't able to qualify for Home Ready or Home Possible. But now let's say the income increased enough to where now you fall into that bucket to where, again, you won't only take advantage of those benefits, but it now might be possible for you to qualify for this home due to the increase in the income limits. Now, to give you a quick example, I researched a random address in Chester County, PA, which is one of the markets that I work in, and the address that I typed in previously, the income limit showed it was $75,600. So that was the income cap in which a potential buyer could not exceed if they want to qualify for Home Ready or Home Possible. Now it increased to $84,320. So that's almost a $9,000 jump, which is, it also equates to 11.5% increase. It's pretty significant. So if, like I said before, let's say if you made $77,000 or $80,000, you wouldn't have been able to qualify for these programs before. But now, since that jump has been made, you now fit into that bucket. So it's going to help a lot of people out there. I think that's exciting news. Again, you're going to be subject to better terms overall, so more money in your pocket over not only in the short term, but in the long run as well. But I think also, just as importantly, is it could very well be the difference from you being able to qualify for a home and not. Because you might have been right on the cusp, right on the edge of qualifying for a home. But now, if you fit in these income parameters, that reduction in interest rate and or reduction in private mortgage insurance could be that difference between you qualifying and not qualifying. So again, this is exciting news for a lot of buyers out there. It's really going to help more people qualify for homes, make home ownership a possibility, and also more affordable. So I hope this was a helpful video. Like I said, I wanted to make it short, wanted to just get this information out there so you guys are aware. Again, this is across the country, so it depends on what geographical area you live in. So you can use those tools again, and I'll try to post a link in the description. It's Fannie Mae Home Ready, Home Ready income limits, and Freddie Mac Home Possible income limits. You can just type in the address or type in your area, and you can get an idea of what those income limits are. I don't know if Fannie Mae updated their website just yet. When I checked earlier, it wasn't updated. Freddie Mac's was updated, so it might take a little bit of time for all of that data to get up and running and updated. So feel free to play around with it, and you can see if you now qualify for these programs and take advantage of the lower money down and just better terms. So hope this helped. Again, give me a thumbs up if you found any value in this video. Leave any comments, any questions. Happy to help, and we'll see you on the next one.